Morning, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine today? I think you are ready for your class. In our previous classes, we discussed about the use of definite article and indefinite articles. Now, we will discuss about omission of articles. That means where an article is not needed. Be attentive, my dear students. You look at the board and look at number 1. Number 1, article is not used before uncountable noun. I think you are well known about uncountable noun. For example, I am fond of tea. So, before tea, an article is not used. So, you use cross. And this is uncountable noun tea. She likes milk, and then you will look milk. This is also uncountable noun. So, you will use cross here. Then number 2, material noun is not carried by any article. For example, iron is a precious metal. So, iron material noun, you can use article. So, here it is used cross. And then gold is very valuable. So, this is also you will use cross. Then come to number 3, article is not used before abstract noun. For example, honesty is a great virtue. This is abstract noun, so you will use cross here. Forgiveness is divine. This is also abstract noun, you will use cross here. Then come to number 4, article is not used before plural noun if it is used in general meaning. For example, tigers are ferocious animals. So, plural noun you will use here cross. Then cows live on grass. This is plural noun, you will also cross here. Then come to number 5, article is not used before man, woman, uncle, father, mother, etc. For example, man is mortal. So, you will use cross here. Children are fond of sweets. You will also cross here. Then come to number 6. Article is not used before language. For example, he can speak French. So, the name of a language, French, you can use cross here. Then Hassan can speak English fluently. This is the English is here, English is also known as a language, so you will use cross here. And then come to number 7, article is not used before the name of sports and games. For example, he can play football. So, this is the name of a game, you will use cross here. Then the boy cannot play cricket. So, you will also cross here. Then come to number 8, article is not used before day, month, season, etc. For example, January is the first month of the year. So, the name of the month of the year, so you will use cross. Then today is Monday, the name of a day, Monday, so you will use cross also. Then come to number 9, article is not used before the name of religious festivals. For example, Eid-ul-Fitr is a religious festival. So, before Eid-ul-Fitr you will use cross. My dear students, we discussed about the omission of article. Actually, there are some exceptional case. For example, kindness is divine. In another sense, we can say the kindness of Mohsin is known to all. So, here we can use definite article the, and in this way there are some exceptional cases. You will be taken from your book, elaborate. Now, I want to test you by giving you some questions. You will fill in the blanks. You will use necessary articles and you will use cross where an article is not needed. And you will use a cross where an article is not needed. Now, look at the examples. Number A, dash kindness of Mohsin is known to all. We know that before abstract noun we will not use any article, but in this sentence the article is used. So, here this is definite here, the kindness of Mohsin is known to all. So, we will use definite article. Now, come to B. I did not see dash Himalayas. So, here this is the name of a hill, range of hills. Here you will use definite article the. The next, dash gold of this ring is pure. We know material, before material noun any article is not used. So, in this sentence we must use article. So, this is definite, the gold of this ring is. So, you will use definite article. I have had dash good breakfast. We know that before meal any article is not used, but in this sentence if meal, before meal any adjective is used, then we will use article. So, I have had a good breakfast. Dear students, time is over. That is all for today. Thank you. Dear student, look at the board. You will make a list by using article. Where an article is not needed, you will write at least 20 examples. Thank you very much. That is all for today.